L'assiette des Assiettes. A main dish from Senegal. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Arrange lettuce on the center of a dinner place. Step 2. Place cooked black-eyed peas in a center of plate. Step 3. Place cooked fish on the peas. Step 4. Surround with 2 overlapping tomato slices, cucumber slices, hearts of palm, hard-boiled eggs. Step 5. Mask the fish with dressing made from tomato catsup, Worcestershire sauce, white vinegar, sugar and onion. Step 6. Chill thoroughly before serving. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.